How to grow long, thick, healthy lashes. Long, upturned eyelashes not only make your eyes look bigger, but they're also a characteristic associated with youth. If you want to get those beautiful, healthy lashes, then read on. Using petroleum jelly. Get a small amount of petroleum jelly in your 2 fingers. Run the petroleum jelly in between your thumb and index finger to prepare it for rubbing onto your eyelids and eyelashes. Be careful not to get the petroleum jelly in your eyes. wh.performance.mark step 1_rendered. Use the leftover petroleum jelly on your finger. Apply it to both your top and bottom set of eyelashes. Apply it just as you would apply mascara. Go to sleep. Sweet dreams about your eyelashes. Wake up. If there is any excess petroleum jelly, wipe it off with a wet and warm washcloth. Done. Enjoy your beautiful new lashes.